If you're an online coach who's tired of posting content 24/7 and would like a predictable and reliable lead generation system, the Authentic Attraction Funnel is the perfect strategy for you. My name is Will, and after helping thousands of coaches just like you, if you are a coach watching this video, we finally found a very easy, simple, and scalable method to get clients on demand. And we call it the Authentic Attraction Method. Now, what you're seeing right here is kind of a typical funnel that most people are used to. And essentially what we've noticed is that the marketplace is getting more and more sophisticated as time goes on. And the old strategies of sending people directly to a video sales letter and expecting them to buy from you is long dated. So what we've noticed more than anything is, how can I build a brand, right? How can I build a brand built off trust, built off results, built off social proof? And one of the best ways to do that is run this simple funnel. Now, the beauty of this, guys, is that Instagram's algorithm is tougher and trickier, and there's more problems than ever before. So our goal isn't necessarily to go viral. It's not necessarily to, get tons and tons of views. The only thing that we want to do that matters is get clients to pay us money. We want to turn strangers into followers. We want to turn likes into cash, okay? And one of the ways we do this is obviously with this method. Now, what you'll see to the right of this is actually an ad that we've used, which is very simple, but this ad has brought us well over $100,000, just this single ad. Now, looking at it, it's nothing special, it's nothing basic, but the reason why it works so well is because of the scripting that we do. So each of the clients that we work with, we carefully craft a message specifically towards them and what their clients are facing as far as problems. Too often, a lot of people, when they want to run ads, the message is very broad and it's very generic. So what people need to understand is that, yes, you might pay a little bit more money up front as far as the lead. The cost to acquire the client, the CAC, as they call it in the industry, is going to be significantly less. So before, you might be paying, $3 to $5 per follower or per lead, and it might cost you, $500 to $1,000 to acquire a client. But now, you might be paying $10 to $15 per lead, but it might be $200 to acquire a client, or $500. So what we're seeing is a probably 30 to 40% decrease in cost to acquire a client across the board, even though we're seeing a significantly higher cost on the front end as far as the lead. And way too often, a lot of coaches are quick to pause their ads because they're like, wow, I'm spending so much per lead. Now, for me, I used to be like that, and I would care, as far as what the front end cost was per lead. But the only thing I care about now is, how do I get a follower into becoming a client? And that's it. And one of the things that I see with a lot of coaches too is they're trying to build too much rapport, meaning that they're spending all day in Messenger trying to get people to figure out, more about them and try to nurture them and all this stuff. And honestly, that's a waste of your time. So what we do is we actually automate Instagram ads along with our YouTube channel to build a personal brand long term. So my goal, or strategy that's worked really well for us, is that we're getting people to come to our profile. Now, I'm not trying to deliver long-form content such as the video you're watching right now on Instagram. It's just not going to work. It's not going to happen. So my goal is to get you on Instagram, get you to watch probably 3 to 4 of my videos on YouTube, and really build that know, like, and trust factor. Because the clients that I like to work with aren't necessarily somebody that wants to waste time. They're somebody that knows what they want help, they're ready to invest because they know that money loves speed. So once again, guys, if you use this strategy of essentially driving more traffic to your profile with value, and that's another thing that I didn't talk about, but you have to have value on your page. If your actual Instagram is garbage, nobody's going to watch it. So you actually have to deliver some type of value. And one of the other ad strategies we talk about is kind of really nurturing the middle of the funnel with lead magnets and trainings and things like that. But the easiest, by far the easiest way to grow your business and add an extra 10, 20, 30, or even $50,000 to your business is using this methodology. So if you would like us to plug our proven process into your business so that you can launch ads within 7 days and actually have clients in your inbox that are ready and willing to pay you money, all you have to do is click the link below, schedule a call with me or my team. We'll figure out where you're at in your business, what's wrong, what you need to fix, and make sure that you have everything you need in your business to get the results you're looking for.